Hello there! Welcome to another interesting lesson on base 2 numerals. Our lesson today is on division of numbers in base 2 numerals. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to divide two two-digit binary numbers. I hope you are ready. It's going to be an interesting lesson, so let us begin. Do you know that the binary division operation is similar to that of the decimal number system? The only difference is the binary digits. Let me explain. We need to follow some rules while performing binary division. They are simply 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1, 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0. Division by 0 is meaningless in binary division. Therefore, 1 divided by 0 is equal to meaningless, as well as 0 divided by 0 is equal to meaningless. There are two ways of carrying out division in binary system. The first method is by long division as done in the decimal system, while the second method is the one obtained by repeated subtraction. In this first part of the lesson, you will learn how to divide binary numbers using the long division method. Let's look at our first example. Divide the binary number 110 base 2 by 10 base 2. Using the long division method, the first thing we need to do is to put the dividend and the divisor in their appropriate position. Remember, we divide the leftmost bit first in this process. We compare the first digit of our dividend with a divisor. We can see that 1 is less than 10. Write a 0 as the first digit of the quotient above the first digit of the dividend. Then multiply 0 by the dividend 10, which gives us 0. We subtract 0 from 1, which gives us 1 as a remainder. Next, we bring down the next digit of the dividend, which is 1. Comparing 1 and 10, we can see that 1 is greater than 10. We write 1 in the quotient above the second digit of the dividend. We then multiply 1 by 10, which gives us 10. We subtract 10 from 1, and 1 minus 0 is... Yes, it's 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. We are now left with 1 as our remainder. Lastly, we bring down the last digit of our dividend, which is 0, which makes it 10. Now, ignoring the leftmost digit, looking at our dividend and divisor, we can see that 10 is equal to 10. Since they are equal, we write 1 in the quotient above the rightmost digit of our dividend. 10 from 10, 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Having remainder as 00 marks the end of the division. Therefore, 110 base 2 divided by 10 base 2 is equal to 11 base 2. Alright, let's look at one more example. Divide the binary 1111 base 2 by 101 base 2. Can you remember the first thing that we need to do? Correct. We put the dividend and the divisor in their appropriate position. Comparing the first digit of our dividend and our divisor, we can see that 1 is less than 101. We write 0 as the first digit of the quotient above the first digit of the dividend. We then multiply the quotient 0 by 101, which gives us 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Next, we bring down the next digit of the dividend, which is 1. Comparing 11 base 2 and 101 base 2, we can see that 11 base 2 is less than 101. We write down 0, and 0 times 101 is, of course, 0. 11 base 2 minus 0 is 11 base 2. Next, we bring down the third rightmost digit of the dividend, which is 1. Comparing 111 and 101, we can see that 111 is greater than 101. So we write down 1. 1 times 101 is 101. We then subtract 101 from 111. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Lastly, we bring down the last digit of our dividend, which is 1, which makes it 101, ignoring the leftmost digit. Looking at our dividend and divisor, we can see that 101 is equal to 101. Since they are equal, we write 1 in the quotient above the rightmost digit of our dividend. 1 times 101 is 101. Subtracting 101 from 101, we have 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 1. Having a remainder of 0, 0, 0 marks the end of the division. Therefore, 111 base 2 divided by 101 base 2 is equal to 1 base 2. Great job, everybody! We have now come to the end of our lesson. Today we learned about the rules of dividing binary numbers. We also learned that there are 2 ways of carrying out division in the binary system, which are long division and repeated subtraction. We also have solved some examples of binary division using the long division method. See you in the next lesson.